In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add table on Wix. If you want to display information in a clean, organized way, a table is one of the best options. It helps you show data clearly, and it also makes your page look more structured. First, open your site in the editor. This is the main workspace where you can make changes to your page. When you are in the Wix editor, you will see your page layout in the center, along with editing tools around it. Take a moment to confirm you are on the correct page and that you are ready to place the table. This step matters because the table will be added directly to whatever page you have open in the editor. Next, click the plus or Add Elements button on the left sidebar. This opens the Elements menu, which is where you can find tools and components you can add to your website. When you click this button, you should see a list or a set of categories appear. This is the area you will use to find the table option quickly, so keep an eye on the search bar and the available element types. Now, search for table in the search bar. The search bar is designed to filter items fast, so you do not need to browse through everything. Type the word table and wait for the results to appear. You should see a table-related option or table designs in the results. This step is important because it helps you get to the exact feature you need without wasting time. After the table designs appear, drag your chosen table design onto your page. Choose a design that matches the style you want, such as how it looks, how the rows and columns are arranged, and the overall visual theme. When you drag it, Wix will highlight where the table can be placed. Position it on your page where you want the table to appear. Then release your mouse or touchpad to drop it in place. Take a quick moment to check that the table is aligned properly and is visible in the section of the page you intended. Once the table is on your page, click Manage Table to input your data. This is where you actually fill in the table with the information you want to show. Look for the Manage Table button or option that appears for the selected table. Clicking it opens the editing view for that table, where you can enter text into cells and adjust what appears in each row and column. This step is what turns the table from a design into something useful for your visitors. As you enter your data, focus on clarity. Make sure each column has a clear purpose and that each row contains the correct information. If the table includes a header row, keep it consistent so it is easy to understand at a glance. Also, review the layout after you input your content. You want everything to fit neatly and remain readable. When you are done entering your data, review your page in the context of the rest of your content. Check that the table looks good on the page and that it does not overlap important sections. If everything looks right, you can save or continue editing your site as needed. And that covers everything you need to know. You opened your site in the Wix editor, added a table element from the left sidebar, searched for table, dragged a design onto your page, and then used Manage Table to enter your information. And that is all there is to it.